top of this. Oh, he's done it! He's gone over! Oh, unbelievable! Frey is in the final. Capellic made a mistake. And I said that he was starting to climb on top. That was amazing. The world champion goes over. Nikiforov tries the counter. Oh, Uranagi, Nikiforov, and he does it! It's Ipon Nikiforov! Oh, that is unbelievable, under pressure. Wow, what can you say about that? That was just not only dramatic, but that really took a heart to do that. Oh, my goodness, did he take it back? Capellic made another mistake. What a close final that was. Great appreciation from both the fighters. That was a great final. It was. It was tight. It was never going to be easy. They both had good technique. They both went for it. Song is the world champion. She looked very solid. She was ahead all the way. Takemoto never got into the match. Big right hand over the top. Sumagay. Oh my goodness me, how easy did he make that look? Directly into the hold down. Sumagaishi. Kim turns out. And he gets a Yuko for it as well, Teddy Riner. Sumagaish was Etiopon, but he did make that look very, very easy. Kim wasn't even in the match. Never got going. Teddy Riner goes into the world final again. Riner over the top, pulls his head down. Oh, and that's it, it's going to be a Wazari. Wazari scored, Sumagaishi. This could just well be it. Oh, that's it. Well, he gets a Yuko. And it's all over. Riner gets his 8th world title. I'm sure that is a record that will never be beaten.